Hey guys, this is CoBuystedt over at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. I'm here to show you the Jayco Eagle 29.5 FBDS. It's an awesome fifth wheel. I have not seen a floor plan of this style yet. Here, let's show you over here. So here you have like a outside kitchen area. That is a cooktop you can cook on. This is a pre-owned rig. We're gonna clean that, of course. I love how Jayco does all these metal. They just do all this in metal. It seems like exterior kitchens tend to be thrown together with wood pretty not careful on a lot of other brands. So it's nice to see them pay attention to quality in that aspect. Coming into the rig, so this is kind of your area you have here. Let's start in the kitchen spot. This is your solid surface countertops. You have the split sink. It's undermounted stainless steel. You have storage above. You have a microwave right here. Storage above. You have your cooktop right here, 3 burners. There's an oven. There's the hood. It's got the light and the fan. Here's your refrigerator. Storage above again. And then you also do have these that open up too. It's gonna help. Sort of like a pantry setup. Now over here you got this booth right here. This table does come down and make into a bed. And then over here you got, this is a height of bed. This is your couch. It's gonna give you, when you sit here, a good view of this TV spot. So this is your entertainment center. You have this right here. You also have the hookups inside of there too if you're gonna put a device right here. Here's your control panel for all your speakers and stereo CD DVD stuff. And you got a flat screen right here already put in. Now this is why it's so different, is when you come up this area, it's like a front bunk area, not the front bedroom. Very cool. You can put a TV in that box. There's not one in there right now. You also have side mounted heaters right here and right there on the steps. And this door closes on it just like that. So making your way all over into here, all over. So this is your bathroom area. So you got the shower, got the sink, and you got this opens up. It's also a mirror. And then you also have this bathroom setup as well. That makes your way into the bedroom. This is a queen bed. This is a slide out, so your mattress kind of goes out that way. You also have 2 of these right here, one right there, one right there. Some drawers. Goes all the way down. These ones are a little bit bigger and deeper. They pull out farther too. These ones. Your TV can go here. There's not one currently installed. You have this little counter spot. This is a window for you. And this does lift up underneath the bed. And that's the bedroom. I really liked the colors on this rig. I think it's a reminder of like the homey sort of warmer vibes. Sometimes some rigs, and I do like brighter colors too, but sometimes some rigs tend to be super white, and just being in it at all gets it super dirty, and it's just, this is just familiar, I think is the right word, with the color palette. So I really was excited to see this rig. Very different area in the front. It's the first time I've seen a front bunk. I know they make them, but we just never had one before. So yeah, if you want to see this rig, or if you have any questions on it at all, Please reach out to me. My name is CoBuystedt. My phone number is 541-735-1535. Thank you.